In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a notification pop-up to ClickFunnels. First, open the page where you want the notification to appear. Head to your funnel, find the step you're working on, and click Edit Page. This takes you into the ClickFunnels editor, where you'll make all your changes in real time. Next, open the Pop-up workspace. Look at the top toolbar for the pop-up icon, which typically looks like a small modal window. Click it, then choose Show Pop-up. You'll see a pop-up canvas appear on your page, and that's where you'll build your notification. Think of it as a mini page layered over your main design. Now, design the content of your pop-up. Just like your main page, you can drag in sections, rows, and elements. Start with a clear headline that communicates the point of your notification. Keep it short and benefit-focused, so visitors instantly understand why it matters. Below the headline, add supporting text if needed, an image for context or branding, and a button if you want people to take action. If you're just making an informational alert, simple text and an obvious close icon might be enough. Style everything to match your funnel. Align fonts and colors, keep spacing consistent, and make sure the button stands out without clashing. A quick tip: limit the amount of content so the pop-up feels helpful, not overwhelming. With the content in place, configure how the pop-up behaves. Click Edit Settings or Edit Pop-up Settings inside the pop-up editor. Choose when it should appear. Exit Intent is great for capturing attention right as someone is about to leave, and it's often less disruptive. Trigger on page load works for time-sensitive announcements, but consider adding a slight delay so it doesn't feel abrupt. Opening when an element becomes visible is ideal for messages that relate to a specific section, like a testimonial or pricing block. While you're here, adjust width, padding, and the backdrop color or opacity. A slightly dim backdrop helps the pop-up stand out, and generous padding keeps the content readable on both desktop and mobile. Always ensure the close button is easy to find. Finally, save your changes and preview the page. Test each trigger scenario you set, confirm the pop-up appears and closes smoothly, and check that it looks good on different screen sizes. If anything feels too aggressive or distracting, dial it back and test again. When it looks and behaves the way you want, you're all set to publish.